Good morning folks, it's around it. My name is James and welcome to today's daily vlog. It is Thursday, rest of the date will be in the description down below. That's information about today, that's daily vlog. For social medias, that's Instagram, Twitter, /X. My Facebook group, Roblox as well. Other transport I run that is J&M Travel, Transport and Chat Show, and James Games for now, and the 5 steps we can take. If you want to read them out properly, please let us know in the comments down below. It would be appreciated. And it is, as of not long since I got up, watched one video in bed. Here you go, got ready, and then now starting the vlog at 09:19, soon to be 09:20. There you go. So, a plan of action for today is Mellow Railway Day. Well, probably getting a bit wet. Shoo-yeesh. Because about those things, it's going to be raining about 6 o'clock. But it sounds like it's raining right now. Oh, the ground sounds wet from the cars and everything. So yeah. So the plan for me to get to Sean's, probably after this, probably setting off, having a walk down to Sainsbury's, no sponsor, down towards, basically down Halifax Road, jump off bus on the 86 from here, from Hillsborough, Halifax Road side, up to Chapeltown. Get to Chapeltown, walk over to another bus stop for the number 1, and then from there do number 1 up to School Road, and then up towards Wall Road, and then get to Shaw's by the Jano, anyway, whatever you want to call it. So yeah. Anyways, I'm actually going to check times now while I'm doing this clip, and I probably could put you down, but you're not on the tripod at all. Yorkshire, scroll down to 86. If I can find it. I'm actually going to onto the bus stop. So basically, if I set off now, it might get the 9:43. Or get the 10:15. What time does that one get there? 10:44 into Chapel. I probably could do that, so I can have a cup of tea if we've got time. Yeah. So I might get the 10:15. So I'll probably be south for about 1:45 and have a walk down to Bettham. Well, in the meantime, I'm not too sure what I'll be doing. We might have a little sort out, maybe or just line things up or whatever. We even have a quick cup of tea on our computer for a little bit. As I'm waiting for time. It's probably still got not much time left, but I can just double check on the weather on the computer, and if it is raining then I won't be going out, but I don't want to get my things wet as of my balls. I know they're going to be in my main bag. We could go through. Let's try to put you up here. Are you gonna stay? Yay! Anyways, what else I probably won't make myself a cup of tea now. Just probably try to film it on YouTube and whatnot, and do a bit of more catch up, and then from there, yeah. But anyways, on that basis, I'm going to take my battery charger from my Canon and shoot off from there. But anyways, on that basis, I'll get on, I'll speak to in a bit, so enjoy your day, whatever you're doing. May tell you more what I'm doing a bit later on.
They're the army ones, here. Exactly, CTA. No, they're all back in. Oh, they're not. We're doing teachers later on. What was going on so I could understand him a bit more.
Oh, Bob.
Yeah. You can't be happy like that. No one's going to be happy with like that sort of thing. He's always saying how lonely he is and he hasn't got any real good friends and all that. I felt like saying, don't you ever think about it?
Alrighty folks, so now a bit later on in the day. It is, before I get my sleeve wet, ooh, it is 21:17 or 9:17 PM UK time. There you go, or whatever time it is where you are located. So it has been a good day out for a while, and before I actually get into the video, if I need to pause it, I'll be stopping this clip and then restarting because of my battery, because at the moment I haven't actually changed it yet. Anyways, cup of the week, if you didn't know. For me making teas downstairs, and then this one for now for a cup of tea for up here. So if whenever I make a cup of tea up here, it's mostly going to be in this cup or in a smaller cup probably. But anyway, let's get back on to today's topic on what I've done today. So I got up, got ready, started the vlog, chilled out for a bit, set off, had a walk down to Halifax Road, and I will tell you the buses what I had as well. So it started with Central Sheffield's 39111 on the 86 from Hillsborough to Chapeltown. Then from there, gone over to Marketplace, or from station to Marketplace, well, in the area, basically across road. Waited for the number one, or Route 1, what was formed of 15660, the one of the ex Southwest or Devon bus or Cornwall bus down that coast. What is actually painted up in the Queen's Jubilee, I forget, Platinum Jubilee, the purple one. The purple bus. I have actually seen it before, and I've got quite a few videos of it before. And then that's from Chapeltown to High Green, get off the school road, had a walk up to Wall Road to Sean's. Got to Sean's, had a natter. Got my, well, Sean got one of his other friends up there as well. So he had the inner, I had the outer for most of the day. So what I've ran was both my 37s. One room is 37.409, what used to be 37.45 at one point, and the other one, I've actually got both 37s here, but I got a pile of what I took up I get at least one of everything. Then 37038. What's this? Actually, this one. It's not in this delivery, by the way. It is in the DRS, not either S. So I had that running. I had, as I said, 3749. What is here as well. You may see that in shortly. Then I had my flasks out, running out first. Show it to Sean and a friend. I don't know if you want to be mentioned on video, so that's why I'm not saying out. Showed them this, then I had this running with I think it was for 3749, I think it was. Had the first run with that. No, it was 37038, because 3749 was it with the coaches, what we'll be showing you in a second. Right here, this is actually just one room, because the other two are currently on the bed. There you go. That is actually the DRS 37, not 37, is it DRS carriage. This is 1 out of 3 what I ran today. That's that one. Then while Sean's friend was actually looking through a couple of the models what he could buy, I had a nosy at what it could be fancying buying. It pointed out of a 50 as a Hornby class 50 in GBRF 50049. But here, guess who bought it? This chap. So my next thing after DRS, it is now, and it will be GB, then DB, and then Freightliner, and probably Cordless. I'll just build up a good selection of freight operators. So I get like a big yard, or when I make my own railway up, I have like a big yard, and I have all freight locos and stuff like that on shed and whatever. Yeah. So I bought that today. So I have been buying again. Anyways, moving on. That was not while later on this afternoon. But before that, we have lunch. After lunch, ran more trains. Got a few pictures as well. And then after that, it was time to pack up and go for the bash. So let's set off, ran back because I forgot something, picked it up, came down here, or came to the bottom of School Road, by the general, basically where I get on the bus, and that was Station Sheffield's 15661, another ex Devon and Cornwall, and I think ex Barnsley at one point as well, or been on loan to Barnsley, but I'm not too sure. I think I've done a few videos on that as well. Then waited for the next 201 on the 1649 off Chapeltown to Stocksbridge, and that is South Pennine Community transport. 307 on the 201 from Chapel Town to Stocksbridge via what I call Union or Smithfield Road. The driver was chatting. I like bus drivers like that, always chatty and gets on with people. Basically, we've gone up. We said he can stay on, but he will be coming back way before my next bus. Well, I'll be telling you in a second. So we had a while. We were on the way with some car drivers not always driving recklessly, let's say, lanes, going in wrong lanes and stuff like that, especially around roundabouts near Tadcaster, not Tadcaster, Tankinsley, I think it's Tankinsley. If I remember, I might put it up here or I'll put it in the description down below. But if you know, if you've done the 201 before from Chapel Town or Stocksbridge to and from, when you get to the roundabout, you get to a McDonald's and a petrol station and a fire station that way. You probably know where it is if you have done that route before. Anyways, moving on. Then done it up to Smithy or Union, back down towards Fox Valley or Manchester Road, Fox Valley. Then waited for the supposed to be the 1805 Route 57A, but it ran late. Approximately what time did I save that? 1 second, guys. About 10 past, about 5 minutes late. And the funny thing is, the bus what I had wasn't even up at Stocksbridge at the time. The bus what I saw going past first time, when I was just getting off the bus from the 201, it was going up, and it was one of the ex-Chesterfield buses, what were going parallel went back to the depot. And it looks like they've done a bus swap. So, instead of that one, the Chesterfield, we got, I think it was the next Manchester one, 19042. I think that used to be an ex-Manchester bus. I can't remember by heart. And did that from Stocksbridge to Uterbridge, up to Mans to make sure everything's okay up there. And then after that, basically walked down. Didn't get back here until about 7:30. Then watched Emmerdale for a bit, and then got on the computer, done a bit of my catch up. Currently still doing my catch up. What was only one bugger. I need to do that again. And it's got off again. One second, guys. Remember just get the video. Oh, let's do my history catch up, shall we? So of today, I have watched Simon's Hide and Seek in a theme park on just the Simon. Then one of Simon's girlfriends reacts to the Simon hole in the wall, and it's an old game show, used to be on UK TV. Then I sorted them out in my video, I think. Then I watched one of the videos of Morgan's, then of course Cam's, then did Farmer P. No, that was late last night. I think it were at about 1 o'clock last night in the morning. Then coast cams, the sun from a landslide apparently, and then that's when I left. Had a walk up or walk down to the bus stop to get the 86 up to Chapel, then High Green, then going back. And when I got on the bus on the 57A from Stocksbridge, I'll put my music on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, about 15 songs I listened to, and then basically the life of Tom with his latest video. And there were a funny bit with that. When Tom said Bruce Bogtrotter's cake or something on them lines, and then when he said everyone, whoever knows that he is saying or where it's from, he said that we are legends. As soon as he said that, I done that because I know where it's from. It's from Matilda, if one hasn't seen that. I try not to give too much away with that. If you want to watch it, you're more than welcome to. It is an old classic, because I can remember it. Probably the younger generation, probably not, but I'm not too sure. But anyways, one second guys. Anyways, so I think what else, and it's basically going to be chilling out for the rest of the night. May put music on tonight, may edit this video, I'll do it tomorrow, may do it tonight, maybe transfer all clips over definitely tonight, including the model railway ones, because I'm not too sure how many I've done with that, because I haven't transferred them over as yet, but I haven't got any on my phone of today, but on my camera I have. I got more, way more than one. I think I might have done about 10 videos I've done today up at Sean's on my Canon. So anyways, so you can, I might as well get on. So thank you so much for watching. If you're around it, my name is James. Everything we need to know is in the description down below. That's information about today, the last day of the vlog, my social medias, that's Instagram, my Twitter /X, my Facebook group, my Roblox will be in the description as well. My other transport I run, that is J&M Travel, Transport and Chat Show, and James Games for now. There's no new comments. The sub count, it is 750, so can 750 please come forward for your personal shout out. If you don't come forward, you do not get personal shout out. But on that being said, have a get on, as it's gone over 18 minutes again. So thank you so much for watching. If you're on it, my name is James. If you need to know, it's in the description anyway. And I'll see you all in the next one. I'll see you tomorrow for another daily vlog. What will be on Saturday, on a Friday. So after 9 o'clock when I start the vlog, and 750 subs or 750. That's just for me when I go back through this. So anyways, be happy. So have a good day. Bye.